Yo, what's going on, you guys? Your boy Devon Terrell in raw form, and welcome to another Help Me Devon raw tutorial. And today, in this Help Me Devon tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to create movement in my vocals with a very, very easy trick, nothing complicated. Let's get right to it. Okay, so this particular song is one of my own songs called Artificial Intelligence. And long story short, I'm going to play the song so you can get an idea of how it feels and everything. What I want you to do is I want you to pay attention to the vocal and the delay on the vocal. Pay attention to the delay of the lead vocal that you're hearing. Listen close.
You the realest thing I've seen in a while. From your fashion to your taste and style, I just wanna learn everything about you. Oh, to the point where you don't even say a word to me, 'cause I know everything you want and all you'll ever need.
Okay. You hear that delay. Now, if you listen to that song, it's a very spacey song. It's like this robotic kind of feeling, digital kind of feeling to a song. And I wanted to accent that, and I wanted the vocal to feel like it moved and it had space. And the way we created that was with the delay and with the flanger. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, though. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solo the vocal so you can really hear the effect. So what's creating that movement in that vocal to make it sound wavy and spacey is this delay that I'm sending out. So listen closely to my lead vocal, and I want you to pay attention to the delay on the lead vocal. Listen close. 1 second.
You the realest thing I've seen in a while. From your fashion to your taste and style.
So if you listen to that vocal, you can hear the delay as far as it dissipating out, but you also hear this flanger on it that makes it feel a little bit more wet and wavy and changes the sound, and it feels like it just has a way cooler sound. It makes it feel more artificial, like artificial intelligence. That's the theme that we're trying to match, and that's a great way to approach your music. Think about the actual theme of the music and how it should feel. So how did I do it? Simple. What I did was I sent out a delay to my delay, right? And what I did was I used a plugin that I love that I've recently fell onto. It's a modulation plugin called Real ADT. Now, don't be discouraged by seeing this plugin. You can use any flanger plugin or phaser plugin that you have in your arsenal to accomplish this. So long story short, after I put the delay on, I like to do a little bit of stereo widening as well, which you can use any stereo widening. This is optional for you to do. It's a really good trick, though. I highly recommend using the stereo widener on your delays. Super secret, super dope trick. But the big secret is really using this Real ADT or a flanger on the vocal. What I'll do is I'll turn this Real ADT off, and I'll play the vocal again, and I want you to hear how the vocal sounds without it. So listen close.
You the realest thing I've seen in a while. From your fashion to your taste and style.
With.
You the realest thing I've seen in a while. From your fashion to your taste and style.
So if you listen to that closely, it sounds cooler to me. It sounds more wavy, which is what I was trying to accomplish. When I don't have the Real ADT in, it feels a little bit more stiff. Now, granted, it may sound right for different songs, but for this particular song, I wanted a vocal that sounded a little bit more wavy, and I used that with attacking the flanger on the delay signal. And that's how I got this really cool sound that I like. Now, you can exaggerate this and get really creative if you wanted to. You can even slap this on the entire vocal if you wanted to, if you were trying to get creative. But super simple trick that you can use basically to add movement to your vocal. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, hit us at Help Me Devon on the Instagram. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys think, questions, concerns, etc. And until next time, you guys, I'll also leave this link for this plugin in the bottom. It's a Waves plugin. It's called Real ADT. Once again, until next time, you guys.